Welcome to today's video. We'll explore some of the words used by Aishwarya Rai Bachchan in her speeches, breaking down their meanings and usage. Stay tuned, and I'm sure you'll learn something new. Watch the video till the end.
Had a conversation with her. We've just kind of clocked each other.
Clocked each other means two people noticed or recognized each other, often with a quick glance. Example, as they walked into the room, they clocked each other and exchanged knowing smiles.
Phones, everybody is. Now, is technology going to disappear from the face of this earth?
Face of this earth refers to the entire world or everything that exists in the world. Example, she searched every corner of the face of this earth for the perfect wedding dress.
But not this kind of stuff. This is like really amateur, and I'm like, no.
Amateur refers to someone who engages in an activity for enjoyment rather than professionally, often lacking experience. Example, he's an amateur photographer, capturing beautiful shots as a hobby, not as a job.
It was all kind of being again coerced.
Coerced means being forced or pressured to do something against your will, often through threats or intimidation. Example, he was coerced into signing the contract by his boss, despite his reservations.
I saw her smile. I saw her eyes light up.
Eyes light up means someone shows sudden excitement or happiness, usually in response to something pleasant. Example, her eyes lit up when she received the unexpected gift.
So suddenly when I came back, overnight I was this celebrity being felicitated and honored with the...
Felicitate means to congratulate or honor someone, usually in a formal or public manner. Example, the committee felicitated the award-winning author for her outstanding contribution to literature.
To at some moment in that frenzy, hopefully be...
Frenzy refers to a state of wild excitement, activity, or chaos, often uncontrolled or intense. Example, the store was in a frenzy during the big sale, with shoppers rushing to grab deals.
Seriousness. I'm the same person when I say giggler, I can remind, because when people see the serious side to the giggler, I still giggle.
Giggler refers to someone who laughs or giggles frequently or easily, often in a light-hearted or silly way. Example, the little giggler couldn't stop laughing at the funny joke, making everyone else laugh too.
They take the trouble to reprint it, or it'll exist. I could just see the loophole. So how can I sign on a document without seeing the stuff that I need?
Loophole is a small mistake or gap in rules or laws that allows people to avoid following them. Example, they found a loophole in the tax law to reduce their payments legally.
Of being nocturnal becomes part of your life. So,
Nocturnal describes animals or activities that occur at night rather than during the day. Example, owls are nocturnal birds, hunting for food while others are asleep.
But the point is, you've got to pull your socks up and get on with the day, and that's just the way.
Pull your socks up means to improve your performance or effort, often because it's lacking or needs to be better. Example, after receiving feedback, she knew she had to pull her socks up to meet the project deadline.
That propels you. What?
Propels means to push or move something forward or onward, often with force or energy. Example, the engine propels the boat across the water quickly.
Planet. So that's a given.
That a given means something is certain or obvious, not in doubt. Example, it's a given they'll win the game.
To so far keep a twinkle in her eye, and I make it funny.
Twinkle in her eye means a lively, enthusiastic, or playful expression, often indicating joy or excitement. Example, she had a twinkle in her eye as she told the exciting news.
To do it within this window of time, we had to shoot the promo within that window of time. I was like, oh my God,
Window of time refers to a specific period during which something can be done or must happen. Example, we have a small window of time to finish the project before the deadline.
To discuss brickbats or reviews and kaisa lagta?
Brickbats refers to harsh criticism or negative comments directed at someone or something. Example, the new movie received brickbats from critics for its weak storyline. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it useful and enjoyable. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, questions, or topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.